Did you know there is a single solution for cleaning all of these day-to-day stains? One that is effective and cheap? Extraclean. With Extraclean, all stains are removed. Forget about your collection of specialized stain removers and make real savings by using Extraclean, the super stain remover. Its patented formula is effective for all indoor and outdoor stains at home, in the garden, the garage, on holiday. Take advantage of our exclusive offer today. With just one tube of Extraclean, you can remove hundreds of stains. So watch closely and trust me, it'll take your breath away. Hello, I'm traveling around the world looking for new products for you, and what I've discovered in Germany that'll really inspire you, and that is totally unique, is a problem solver for the whole household. For stains on textiles, carpets, upholstery, and also washing that's turned grey and much more. And what you're seeing now you've never seen before. Hello, Karina.
Happy to be here. I'll start with a bad stain, in fact, with an actual blackberry on this white blouse. That's it. On the white blouse, it can't get any worse. Except that when this happens, it costs money. The kids come home, my fountain pen leaks or something, the tablecloth gets covered with felt pen, and what's worse is...
I hope you know what you're doing.
When you were in hospital, you had to use iodine, real iodine. It doesn't come out of any textiles. And red wine, which made a stain and is always getting on clothes. And you just take a rag or towel soaked with warm water. Extraclean removes all household stains, whether it's soup, sauce, wine, beer, coffee, tea or chocolate. And here is a demonstration. Whether it's coffee, tea or red wine you have on your clothes, we can solve it all straight away. Really? Soup,
No.
sauce, wine, beer, so now throw it in the washing machine and honestly, you can save a lot of money this way.
So the blouse is clean and all the tubes have already been paid for. And this is just the beginning. You'll see the extraordinary effectiveness of Extraclean. Its patented formula eliminates all possible stains in the house and outside. Its action on the stains is truly spectacular.
I've been using Extraclean for several months, and it's a really incredible product because it's very good value. I just need to put a small amount of the product on a sponge soaked in warm water, and with that I can clean all stains, even the most stubborn. Incidentally, I wanted to show you that I have white sofas and two adorable dogs with very bad habits. They get up on the couches and their paws leave stains on the sofas. I had a go at removing the stains with Extraclean and the result was unreal. Not a stain to be seen. It was really fantastic. I no longer have any worries around the house because I know that if I make a stain, I'll be able to remove it with Extraclean.
I have Extraclean at home and I use it all the time. I'm very glad to have it.
It's a super stain remover.
Karina, that was a fresh stain, but what about old ones? Can they be removed?
Yes, we are specialists in this. We have a patent. Whether the stains are cooked on from ironing or old, we remove them and from any material. This, by the way, is a completely dry coffee stain. Normally the trousers are done for and you're throwing the money down the drain. Take your rag, your towel, no matter how old the stain is or what it looks like. We don't need to get a separate stain remover, which you can't mix with another one anyway. Here we go. Then we remove the stain, whether it's grease on a bag chain or a stain on the jeans. All in no time at all.
I'm going to try it now. Hang on. So I put the cream on here, and look, here's another old stain. Even when I do it, this is amazing, really incredible.
Now we've really saved money.
Think your old stained clothing can't be saved? Only fit for the dustbin? Wrong. Here comes Extraclean.
Recently, I removed grease stains from a tea towel, which was still there after machine washing. I use it on everything. I use it to remove stains from carpets, from the cupboard doors in the children's rooms, from the garden chairs, on everything really.
I'm a very fussy person. I always want my scooter and my helmet to be perfect, and that's why I use Extraclean. Since I've been using it, I'm very satisfied, as everything looks new.
That's me. If I wear white, I'm sure to get a stain on it within an hour. If you can picture that, that's why I use Extraclean. For me, it's just magic.
Extraclean is the answer.
I use it on everything. It's amazing.
So where I have more problems with stains is on carpeted floors because a carpet doesn't fit in the washing machine. But Karina has a top tip.
I have a top tip for upholstered furniture and car seats. So I take a bit of the cream here. If something happens, a little dog or small pet that I can't control...
Red wine goes flying everywhere again and again.
Or we have grilled sausages and now mustard and ketchup are all on the carpet. It really doesn't matter how old the stains are, right in the fabric, so you think, how will this ever come out? Then at home, just take the sponge, dampen the old stain, no matter how it looks or what it is. is. Put some cream on the sponge, and now it doesn't matter whether it's dog do, cat urine, red wine, coffee, tea, chocolate, blood, oil, fast rust, or resins. We remove the dirt from each individual fibre.
That's crazy. Crazy! Forget about your collection of specialized stain removers and make real savings by using Extraclean, the Super Stain Remover. Take advantage of our exclusive introductory offer today by calling 0300 10 20 30 now and ordering your tube of Extraclean for just €29.90. You will soon receive your Extraclean package, the tube and the sponge. But that's not all. By calling now, you will receive an extra tube of Extraclean as a gift. In other words, you will get 2 tubes that will remove up to 300 stains for only €29.90.
What is amazing about Extraclean is that I no longer need to use bleach on my tablecloths. Of course, the bleach removed the stains, but over time the tablecloths became grey. The bleach was particularly harsh on my embroidered tablecloths that were very fragile. There is always the risk with bleach that some of it will drop onto your clothes, and that's a real worry. It's crazy when I think about the amount of clothes I spoiled with bleach. However, by adding a small amount of Extraclean to the washing machine, the clothes come out brilliant white. I even managed to remove all the perspiration stains with Extraclean. I think it's a super stain remover.
So now, Karina, show us, where does the dirt actually go?
This is Extraclean's patent. I put a little bit of red wine here and put it on the glass plate. Nothing can go through here, right? And then I take a little bit of ink, and now it's really a stain that you wouldn't get at home, and a little bit of iodine. Now we have some mess, right? So generally there'd be 3, 4 or 5 different stains to clean out. You can already see clearly what is happening here. It makes a lot of sense. We divide all the stains into their original components, whether in wool, velvet and silk, carpets, upholstery, car seats, parquet flooring, laminates, or even car flooring. So you clean it off, wash it off, and the problem has been fixed.
Thanks to its patented formula, Extraclean is a more effective replacement for dozens of specialized and expensive stain removers cluttering up your cupboards. Applied just one way, it is extremely effective on all types of stains and materials. It works directly on the cores of fibers, dislodging dirt and grease, with grime surrounded and removed via rinsing, with unwanted colors eliminated. With Extraclean, the results are always amazing and you make real savings. Karina, is the tube dermatologically tested, even for washing your hands?
Yes, it's really great. You can do everything you need to in the household with Extraclean.
Oh God, what are you doing?
Yes, when you cut red cabbage or beetroot, you've made jam and the fruit residue is stuck under your nails. So from the cookbook, take a lemon. Have you tried this before? You could rub for 3 days and nothing would happen. And when the kids get home, a fountain pen has leaked, a ballpoint pen has broken, or the guys who repair the car, motorbike, bicycle, someone has to do it. They get oil and grease everywhere.
What are you doing, Karina?
Oh, now I'm making a big mess, because this can happen. A bike chain catches on the pinion when the kid gets home. Then the kid goes to the bathroom and scrubs and wipes and scratches away. And yes, the first or last bits of the dirt go on the towel. The outside of your nails are still dirty 5 days later, and I'll show you again that with water nothing gets cleaned off for ages. Now take a little bit of Extraclean, water, and off you go. Whether you're a car mechanic, florist, hairdresser, gardener or cook, you have clean, well-groomed hands from on the nails to under them. Never before has it been this easy to clean out from under your nails.
Crazy.
I love working on cars. I love polishing my car. I always have it gleaming. But of course, every time I come into the house with my filthy black hands, my wife gets annoyed. One day she bought me a tube of Extraclean and she said, "Now listen to me. You're going to use this tube to clean your hands in the garage before coming into the house. Otherwise, you might as well not come in." I used it and it's a really exceptional product. I never have seen anything like it. Honestly, you should try it yourself. Unless you try it, you'll find it hard to believe that it's possible. I can't believe it. I can't believe it.
Forget about your collection of specialized stain removers and make real savings by using Extraclean, the super stain remover. Take advantage of our exclusive introductory offer today by calling 0300 10 20 30 now and ordering your tube of Extraclean for just €29.90. You will soon receive your Extraclean package, the tube and the sponge. But that's not all. By calling now, you will receive an extra tube of Extraclean as a gift. Don't miss this amazing offer. Call 0300 10 20 30 now. So, Karina, are you completely sure that this works for all materials?
Totally, for everything.
Okay, I want to test this out now. Look at this. We're going to make a blackberry stain on the wool now.
That's exactly the point. Usually in the supermarket, you might see works on all materials, warning, except for wool, velvet and silk.
That's right.
And we have here our Extraclean for all stains, for all materials. Take rags, dampen them with warm water and half a pea-sized bit of cream. You don't need much. And with one tube, you can remove 150 stains. And now it doesn't matter whether it's soup, sauce, wine, beer, coffee, chocolate, on wool, velvet, silk, wood, leather or paper.
Until you've used Extraclean, you cannot know how efficient this product is. It's really outstanding.
What I like about Extraclean, and this is an important point, is that it is not harmful and is gentle on your hands.
When you work on a car, you always get grease and oil around your nails, under your nails, etc. It's very dirty and it's not easy to remove all that. Extraclean removes the dirt immediately and it's so easy. It really is fantastic.
When I go away for a weekend with the children, I can tell you that I don't forget to pack a tube of Extraclean.
Anyway, it's simple. I use it all the time.
For me, Extraclean is magic.
So here is why Extraclean really does have millions of happy customers all over the world. Because white textiles become greyer and greyer, and Extraclean makes them white again.
I'll show you what happens in the washing machine. I have here a bit of a curtain. It can also be a bodice, underwear, a white blouse, and here I'm putting it in completely clean water. So, and now this happens every time you wash a red or black sock with...
That's happened to me a lot too.
Exactly.
I know it well.
And then the washing goes red, green, blue, depending on the machine. And honestly, this can cost you money. And you go to the drugstore and buy chlorine, but then you get holes in your clothes. So here, we put a quarter of a tube in the washing machine into the drum with the washing powder. And now look what happens. Whether it's curtains, bodices, underwear, or any white clothes that have become greyed over time. Or if you're a heavy smoker, we simply take the white material out of the water, and that alone really is a sensation. So you just put it in the washing machine, put it in a bowl, and what happens is sensational. We have here a pure high concentrate diluted with water. We have here an alkaline solution, so you can clean everything that doesn't fit in the washing machine,
Is
car
this magic?
seats. It's heaven for cars.
That's crazy.
Yes, close. Carpets, upholstery. This is our patented product with Extraclean. So honestly, with an upholstered couch or carpeting cleaned, you really can save a lot of money. Extraclean is a sensational jewellery cleaner for gold and silver, for all precious metals. Extraclean is, of course, also ideal for parquet flooring, laminates, welts on shoes, whatever you want to use it on. Or for the guys, whether on car paintwork, alloy rims, Formica, it doesn't matter. Even window frames, pollen, dirt from the road. Extraclean is the perfect solution.
You'll only need one use to clean your favourite blouse, the upholstered couch, car seats, or if the dog has made a mess on the carpet. With Extraclean, all these problems today will basically be history tomorrow.
I use Extraclean for my jewellery. As I love my jewellery, I clean it regularly with this product, and the result is fantastic.
It's amazing that, as well as cleaning my hands, I can also use it to clean anything. I mean, I clean my car with it, I also clean the wheel, rims of my bike. The spokes and all are absolutely perfect.
I have Extraclean at home and I use it all the time. I'm very glad to have it.
Honestly, you should try it. Unless you try it, you'll find it hard to believe that it's possible. I can't believe it.
For me, Extraclean is magic.
I can't believe it.
Extraclean is a real problem solver for the whole house. You never again need to stand and stare at the supermarket's colossal shelves. You have everything you need in one tube of Extraclean, which removes all possible stains in the home and outdoors, and should not be missing from any household.
Forget about your collection of specialized stain removers and make real savings by using Extraclean. Take advantage of our exclusive introductory offer today by calling 0300 10 20 30 now and ordering your tube of Extraclean for just €29.90. You will soon receive your Extraclean package, the tube and the sponge. But that's not all. By calling now, you will receive an extra tube of Extraclean as a gift. Don't miss this amazing offer. Call now.